Hi everyone, Anna at QuickFlora. Thanks for joining us. Today I'm going to show you how to use the QuickRoute function in your delivery manager. From your point of sale dashboard, go to Tools and to your delivery manager. This will bring up our current day's deliveries. You're going to want to select the orders you want to route. We're going to select all. You do need to make sure all your orders are verified. You can see that here in this column. Verifying your addresses is done during the order entry process when you enter the address in the recipient field. So once you've selected your orders and everything's verified, go ahead and click your QuickRoute button. A new window will appear with a side-by-side view of your map and your order list. This is based off the shortest delivery route. You can now also change your delivery order here by changing its sequence number. If you're satisfied with the trip, go ahead and click Generate Trip and click OK. If you are a paperless flower shop, you don't need to print the trip sheet. This will show up on your tablet for your driver instantly once you generate the sheet. Keep in mind, the average floral company using this feature saves 10 to 20% of driver time daily. There are a lot of different ways you can configure your delivery manager for your shop depending on your needs, how many locations you have, how many drivers, and even if you use couriers like Uber and Lyft. Your drivers also do delivery confirmations en route using their smartphone or tablet. For more information, please visit us at our website, www.quickflora.com. Thank you.